In this lesson, we are going to talk about regular expression. So this is what our styles.css. We have got a separate folder for that. regex1.html. When you open this, a structure we have created. regex_1 part 1. So how to work with regular expression, or what is basically regular expression? So whenever you are talking about, suppose employee number. So all our employees of software IT, so they have got a employee number, but their employee number should start with SIT underscore 1001. So what I want to say is all the employee numbers should start with SIT underscore. It's a regular pattern. So for example, if you're having a mobile number, so there is a pattern for this. What is the pattern? For example, Indian mobile number. So Indian mobile number should start with the 6 to 9. So our Indian mobile numbers shall start with the 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. After that, how many digits are required? 9 digits are required, and it should be only digits. This is a specific format. So I cannot write the mobile number, Indian mobile number as 1, 2, 3, all digits only, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you say 10 digits, mobile number is okay, but is it an Indian mobile number? No. Why it is not an Indian mobile number? Because it should start with the 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, not with any other number. So if you provide some 0, is it a valid mobile number? No. So, for example, email when you talk about. So I can have my email as sunil@softwaveit.com, or I can have the email as sunil@softwaveit.co.in. This is what the format, or we can have some in the first part. So Sunil hyphen or underscore we can give, or dot. So in the username, dot something, sunil.rex@softwaveit we can provide. So there is a specific format. Even username should have a specific format for Twitter or any username. If you are defining, username should have one alpha capital letter, at least one alpha capital letter, at least one special character, minimum length to be 8 characters. So these conditions are there. So what I want is, by using a regular expression, we can define a pattern. That pattern can be checked with a particular string. So that is what the purpose of regular expression. So we define some rules as a regular expression. After defining the rules, we can compare it with a string. We define some rules, so that rules can be defined with a particular string. So that is what we talk about regular expression. It's a predefined object. So it's a predefined object of type regexp. So let's see, as a regular expression, what is the meaning? A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a separate search pattern. When you search, replace, or pattern matching, search, replace. When we discussed about the string functions in JavaScript, we used search with regular expression, replace also with the regular expression. When you search for data in a text, you can use this search pattern to describe what you are searching for. A regular expression can be a single character or more complicated pattern. Regular expressions can be used to perform all type of text search and text replace operations also. Describes the pattern of characters. The most widely used is pattern. So the JavaScript regexp class represents regular expression, search, replace, checking, mainly for testing. For example, you can see this site regex101.com. For your ease of understanding, what we can do is regex101.com. So regex101.com is regular expressions 101. So when you come to this, and remember, every regular expression we are defining, when you are defining a pattern, it should start with the slash and end with the slash. Start with the slash, end with the slash. So slash is already there, delimited. So this is what the regular expression, and this is what the test string. So I'll say ABC, ending with the slash. So what is that global pattern? ABC slash nothing. ABC matches the characters ABC literally, case sensitive. The regular expression does not match the subject string. You write the subject string. I'll say ABC. Match. How many matches are there? One match. full match 0 to 3 characters ABC. Matching. Then after that D, E, F. So how many matches are there? Only one match. So I'll say ABC. How many matches are there? 2 matches because global. By default, a flag is set as global. So if I remove this global, only the first match is given. Match is equal to 1. Full match 0 to 3. Here also ABC is there, but it's not showing. So you should provide an option, global. Don't return after the first match. So we are providing global this. So we are providing a match here. Now I want to do some other matches. This is one match. Now another match is same ABC, but it should start with a capital thing. So now ABC is coming. I'll say in square braces A, B, C. I just mentioned A, B, C. When you say no match is coming, your regular expression does not match the subject string. Why? Because it's not starting with ABC. I'll provide some capital A here. It is showing A. Not start with, I mean ABC. So in this string, either A or B or C capital letter should be there. Actually, small letter is there. Not start with ABC should be there. Start with some other flags to be given. A is available. One more A. 2 matches because global search. I have got one more. B, C, D. How many are there? 5 matches. Why 5 matches? 3 to 4. A. 4 to 5. Capital A. So if you remove that global, then only the first match will be returned. It should have any one of these characters ABC. So what is the difference between square braces and directly we are giving ABC? It should search for ABC. One match. One match ABC. Full match 5 to 8 is ABC. A or B or C it should be. We'll say square braces ABC. And I want to say it should start with not anywhere. I will say a caret symbol here. What it is telling? It is telling to start with A or B or C. So now what is happening? Asserts position start line, match a single character present in the list ABC, matches a single character in the list ABC. But it should start with the beginning. Caret symbol is given. So I'll provide C. Then what is that? One match is coming. It's correct match. If I say D, 0 match, no match. If I say B, yes, full match 0 to 1 B. So starting with A or B or C. So A or B or C, you can say A hyphen C also. Range of characters can be defined. You are able to provide a range of characters A to Z. And you should allow only numbers. Suppose if you want to define the Indian mobile number, what is that? Start with the 6 to 9. Allow the characters 6 to 9 start with. Followed by how many digits should come? 0 to 9. 9 digits should come. So let's see first 6 to 9 is coming or not. I'll give 1. So some number. Processing. No match. If I say 6, 1 match. Then after that, what is that we have to provide? We'll say 0 to 9. Yes, exact string as it is 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 digit character. So no match. It's not matching. So 6 to 9. Start with the 6 to 9. And followed by any digits I just given. So start with the 9. Okay. 8, 4, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8. Is it matching? Yes, it is matching with this. A perfect string. And after this, if I write something, that is also matching. But I don't want to give that. It should be a perfect string. What is given inside this, it should be same. So end it with the dollar. So when you end it with the dollar, what it is telling? A perfect string. So in the previous case, if I'm not ending with the dollar, if you whatever you write, it's treated as valid only. Now if I say S, processing, no match. But if I take out this dollar, what will happen? One match is showing. Anywhere in the string. Anywhere in the string starts with After this also you can have anything. But before you cannot give. So before you cannot give because star is given, no match. But if I remove this caret symbol, anywhere you can provide. Before you can provide, after you can provide, not a problem. One match is there, so anywhere they will check for. But I want to make it as a rule that it should start with this caret symbol. And now no match. Why no match? Your regular expression does not match the subject string because it's not starting with that condition. So start with, now it is matching. If I remove this 8, no match. So 9. After this, not a problem. But it should be asked, it is inside this, the same format should be given. For that purpose, end it with the dollar. End it with the dollar. So now no match is coming. Remove this. One match is coming. Full match 0 to 10 characters. So full match 0 to 10 characters are coming. 9848586879 value. But rather than writing these many, what is that we can do is, we can say after this, we should have any digit 0 to 9. This will check only for 1, no match. Only 1 digit is allowed. Now 1 match is coming. But after that, if you provide anything, it is not success, not matching. I want to say how many characters in curly braces, you can say 9. This is a regular expression. So what is that we are giving? After this, after the first character 6, so first character can be 6 to 9. After that 0 to 9, 9 digits should be given. So 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, no match. So how many are there? 2, 4, more than 10. Now you see 1 match. So Indian mobile number, if I provide it as 1, wrong, no match. So this is how we are providing. So 7 we can give, not a problem. So 0 to 9. So rather than 0 to 9, you can provide it as /D. Characters also can be provided. /D means digit. How many digits? 9 digits. Specifically 9 digits. So this is how we write very complex regular expressions also we can implement. So what's the purpose of star? Starting with, not star, what is this? Caret symbol. Starting with the caret symbol, ending with the dollar symbol. So whatever the pattern you are checking should be same thing, same format. So in our mobile number, email, landline number, everything should have this particular pattern. Username should have minimum 5 characters, capital letter, small letter, everything should be there. So there also we can implement something like this. So if you want to have a valid username, what is that we have to do? Start with and end with. Not start with, we can just mention a specific thing. A username, start with the capital letter, small letter, minimum 5 characters, maximum 18 characters, 5 go to 18. So A to Z, small A to Z, 5 to 18 characters. Start with, and it should be specific. So it can have capital, no match. B, C, no match. Why no match? Because 5 characters are not there. D, E. Now it is matching correctly. A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2. If I provide small letter, 1 match. If I provide underscore, is it working? No. Why? No match. That particular format is not matching. So it's very, very important you listen very carefully. So it's not having special. If you want to allow in username 1 underscore, you can say underscore. Now underscore is allowed, but other characters are not allowed. Space is not allowed. No match. So remove this. Underscore is allowed. So you can see whenever I write, change the text here, you have to see here whether it is matching or not. ABC, space, no match. Username, capital letter, small letter. It should have some numbers also. Any of this thing. I'll just provide 0 to 9. It is allowing 0 to 9 also, 1 match. It should have means something else we can give. 9 also is allowed. But percentage, not allowed. No match. So this is what we talk about the regular expression. So if it is more than that, more than 18 characters, not allowed. Remove this percentage. No match. Why no match? One match. One. Why it is not there? Because number of characters may be more than 18. So match a single character present in the list below. What is the condition is also given there. You can read this: matches between 5 and 18 times, as many times as possible, giving back as needed. A single character in the range between A to Z. Index 65 and Z index. A to Z, small letter. Matches a character literally 0 to 9. A single digit in the range 0 to 9. So the meaning is also given. So like this, you can try to develop some regular expression. So how to use this in the program, we'll talk about that in the next lesson. So you see, regular expression is for pattern matching, and you see this, and every regular expression is given inside forward slash and end with the slash. So when you come to regex101.com, by default that slash is there. Then these are the flag set regex option. We are able to implement that regex options also. So one thing, you take this ECMAScript, okay? ECMAScript, JavaScript. Since we are working with the JavaScript, because everything is almost same only, you work with the ECMAScript. They follow this PHP script only. So take this ECMAScript.